that today I shall be going to Caymanas River. I've been there quite a few times, but I think this time should be at like a different vibe, because actually going, it's now 10:18, because you have to go from early. When you go too late, too much people today, and then sometimes them start playing music, and you know, say, oh, YouTube and the music thing just now go work out. So actually going to meet up with Dane and Bwoy. Hopefully Bwoy reach this time, because last time him joke out the thing, you see me? So they're on the way. I'm gonna meet them on Mandela and start the vlog from there. Well, this is the starting of it still, but you know, the team up from there, you see me? So catch the vibe. I'm try to come here early to beat the music playing, so I don't even know if the music I go pick up in this clear, so I'd have to try it, isn't it? Every time I try to come here without hearing background music, it's just so hard. But me say, but the water look really pretty though, really clear. Let me show it to you. Off the life vest. We just get the life vest just in case. Just take off the life vest. We get the life vest after. Ready? Go on. And go! Now can I be a bit? Alright, go! Welcome on your jump. One, two, and three! In there, you can shred them. One. Yeah. Put your head down, yeah. Go on. Alright, see that? You can see yourself tonight. See? Tell me if you can see yourself tonight. Yeah. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Are we Yeah, I come down now, dive if I catch you from up top. Jump. Yeah, go now. Jump. Like, I'm just super tired, super hungry. So I'm going to get something to eat. Going by Wendy's, you get me? So it was fun. I really enjoyed the water. It was very cold. It's very refreshing, yo. Alright, camera nice though. Very refreshing. So guys, I guess I'll see you again in another video. I don't know